Robotics have been a major component in industrial manufacturing for decades, but recent advances in artificial intelligence have led to more and more businesses integrating this technology in client-facing positions. From stocking shelves in retail environments to serving customers in the food service industry, a robotic labor force is here. After successfully testing the use of 50 robots in its stores last year, retail giant Walmart announced that it will add 4,000 more of the mechanical workers to its workforce. These robots will serve as floor cleaners, shelf scanners, unloaders, and pickup towers. According to Walmart, these robots will be used to automate mundane and repetitive tasks so human associates can maximize their time in serving their customers on the sales floor. Intelligent automation has caused a disruption in the food services industry as well. Fast food titan McDonald's introduced self-serve kiosks to replace cashiers. These kiosks take orders and receive payments, freeing up staff to perform other duties. McDonald's is expected to expand these kiosks to all their stores across the United States by 2020. Walmart and McDonald's aren't the only businesses integrating a robotic workforce into their labor pool. Other companies on the robot bandwagon include Target, Lowe's Home Improvement, Cali Burger, Yotel. What does the future hold for this bold step in robotic labor? As long as the innovation keeps shaping the technology, the sky seems to be the limit.